What's up? In this video we're going to be checking out the Godox Movelink M2 wireless microphone system, and we're going to be checking out and seeing what it has and how it sounds. If you're ready, let's get on with your box. With the Godox Movelink M2 wireless microphone system, you can have a mono or stereo mode, meaning if you're in mono you can have two people interview sessions and both audios will go on the same channel, or stereo where you can have the two audios splitted into two, and then when you get into your editing software you can now merge audio files together. It also programmed to work for approximately 6 hours, 5 to 6 hours. And let's check what's in the box. So in the box you have the wind muffs, manual guide, cables and accessories, the carrying case straps, cables for both your camera and your smartphones, two lapel mics, the USB A to USB-C charging cable. It has this magnetic thing here. This is the microphone system. It comes in a nice sleek box or case, and here you have it. This is the receiver. This is the receiver, and these two are the transmitters. So when you automatically put them on, it automatically pairs, so you don't have to pair them, which is a good thing, especially for those who might not be tech heads and might not really know how to operate them. So it comes paired already. So for the receiver, you have the headphone jack for in case you want to monitor the audio. This is the connection where you use the port where you plug to your camera. So you can see it shows you all the information. If I had the transmitter 2B, it would show it underneath here. It shows you the battery level and everything that has to do with the transmitter. So here you have the power button, and you have the volume up, volume down, and you have the USB-C charging power area, and here you have your mute and pairing button, and here you have the clip to clip. For the transmitter you have basically the power button, the mute button, the pairing button, and the USB-C charging ports, and every other information you have here will be detailed here. Battery life and pairing. This shows that it's being paired and is in. We're testing out the Godox Movelink M2 wireless microphone system, and right now I'm using the wireless microphone without the lapel, and this is how it sounds. How does it sound? Does it sound nice? I'm sure it should, because I'm checking out the audio level up there and looks like it's sounding well. So this is the microphone transmitter without the muff on top of it, and this is how it sounds without it. If I'll see how it sounds without it. Is the Godox attached to my t-shirt, and this is how it sounds attached to my t-shirt. So this is the transmitter microphone attached to my t-shirt on a magnet. So this is how it's going to look, and this is how it's going to sound. I guess the reason why Godox did this was to create that convenience, because not everybody wants to clip things to their t-shirts or shirts or dresses, and this is a more quick snap, quick fix situation where if you're on the move and you're doing a run and gun, you can just pin or magnet it to the person's shirt or dress, and you're good to go. Right now I'm testing the Godox wireless microphone now with the lapel microphone attached to it, and this is how it would sound if you use it with your lapel. It's you plug the lapel straight to the transmitter and you attach it to your shirt or t-shirt or dress, and this is how it's going to sound. So right now I'm going to be doing a range test and seeing how far the mic can walk in distance. Let's try it. And this time I'm using the lapel on my chest. Let's go. So testing now the Godox Movelink M2 microphone and doing a range test. Testing 1 2 3, 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 testing 1 2 3. So next I'm going to be going to the basement and we'll see how that works in the basement. Let's go test it in the basement. Going to the basement now. And let's see, we still have audio in the basement, in the basement. Inside the basement now. Do I still have audio? In the basement. In the basement. So currently filming this now in the basement. The main camera is outside and I'm testing it with the lapel mic, seeing how far the mics would work. Let's go outside again. Yep. Yep. So we just tested it now, and the transmitter is here, the receiver is here, and I'm wearing the lapel. So I'm wearing the lapel, and the receiver is here. So there you have it. We did the range test, and it turns out pretty good, and there's nothing really negative I can say much about the microphone. For pricing, it cost me about $129 to get from Adorama, but if you check on Amazon it's $199, so I don't know why the prices are different, but I guess Adorama is doing like a sale or something. But on Adorama it costs $129, but on Amazon it's $199, technically $200. If you feel the Godox Movelink M2 wireless microphone is your piece of cake, you can go ahead and get it. If not, you can stick with what you have. And for now, this will serve as my B mic system, because I already have one other wireless microphone system I use and it's been working well for me. So this will serve as an alternative to what I already have. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and till next time is peace.